So the simplest things we can ask you to do with these graphs is read and interpret them. Use this graph of cos theta to estimate the value of cos theta for 200 degrees and the two values of theta for which cos theta is 0.7. So first, cos of 200. Well, you just work out where 200 is on the graph. Might even be easy to look at their version. Work out where 200 is on the graph. Go down to the graph and read off its value. It's just below -1. Well, above, below, just greater than -1. We'll make it -0.9. The other one says the two values of theta, and there will always be two values between 0 and 360, the two values for which cos theta is 0.7. So you draw a cross at 0.7 and you find the two places where it crosses that graph. First one here looks like about 45 degrees. I would never have guessed 46. And this one here at 300, again I would have probably gone 315 or 310, not 314. That's okay. But there is something slightly harder we can ask you to do. Use a graph to work out inequalities. Now let me show you how that works. Sine 70 and sine 130. So you can work out where sine 70 is and where sine 130 is and go, which one is bigger? I think sine 70 is bigger. So this statement's false. The other one says 195 and 335. Well, 195 is here, 335 is here. Oh look, I think, be careful with the negatives, the 195 is closer to 0 but is actually greater, which means this is correct. True. Now, if the two things you're given are in quite different quadrants, you can use the graph to work it out. Sometimes, if you remember your either ASTC, all stations to central, however you remember it, or cast, you can sometimes use that to work it out. For example, I might ask you to compare sine against cos. Well, you'd look at the quadrant. If one of them was positive and the other was negative, you could work out from that which one was greater than the other. That is harder.